gonna make this some color that can add it. I look at that. Do some after. Then we're gonna open this. Just gonna mix it. Yeah. So here is so I would do just get it out. So now that spicy is breakable because I have to. Look how beautiful it's the great watch this. More Instagram swirl. Boom. Look at that shit.